Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you some important tips and tricks of Xiaomi 11i mobile. Guys, you can also use these tips and tricks in Xiaomi 11i hypercharge and other Xiaomi mobiles. So first of all, we see how to record calls in Xiaomi mobile. So open dialer, open this vertical bar, open settings. From here select call recording. And from here you can enable call recording of your mobile. If you want to record calls of your contacts, then you can also select contacts from here. After call recording, you see whenever I turn off my mobile and turn on my mobile, it appears wallpaper changing on my home screen. This setting consumes your mobile's battery and data. If you want to turn off this wallpaper changing setting, then open settings. Open always on display. Select glance for me and turn off this glance for me. Select consumes more battery. And now you see glance for me is turned off. Now if you press power button, you see wallpaper changing is turned off. After this setting, you can also check free RAM status of your mobile. You see I don't see free RAM status of my mobile. If you want to show free RAM status of your mobile, then hold home screen, open setting, select more. Now enable show memory status. After this, if you minimize your home screen, you see RAM status is appear. You can also add lock button on your home screen. You see whenever I want to lock my mobile, I have to press power button. So if you want to add lock button on your home screen, then hold home screen, select widgets and add lock button. With the help of this lock button, guys, you can lock your mobile without pressing power button. It is very helpful to you. So this is very important setting for you guys. If you want to lock your mobile, then you can lock your mobile without pressing power button. You can also enable show internet speed of your mobile. Open setting, open notifications, open status bar. From here enable show connection speed. After enabling this setting, you can monitor internet speed of your mobile. So guys, we have seen important tips and tricks of Xiaomi 11i mobile. Guys, you can also use these tips and tricks in other Xiaomi mobiles. If you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.